Good morning, RVers. My name is Jason Harrington here at Vierinks RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been family owned and operated for over 67 years. Now check this out. This is KZ RV's all new 2021 Durango 326RLT. This is a completely redesigned floor plan. It's a fantastic fifth wheel, and it's got a couple features that are going to separate itself from everyone else on the market. I first want to talk about this right here. There's over 100 cubic foot of storage space down below in Durango's drop frame construction. Now, husbands, this is where you sleep when you're in trouble, but this is also where you can store all of your goodies. Now, it is completely heated as well, so if you are traveling through the mountains or colder weather, your stuff that's in here will not get ruined from the cold temperatures. Now, that brings me up to another point, the insulation on this. What Durango is going to do is they're actually going to wrap this trailer with what's called an Arctic foil. So what it does is it's like a tinfoil looking material that actually wraps underneath this camper and allows air to bounce back and forth underneath there instead of being absorbed into your insulation or into your Darko barrier or even into your underbelly. So this way it's gonna stay heated longer, more efficient. You have less risk of water being damaged, water lines, tanks, water heater, all that kind of stuff. It has a significantly much less risk of being damaged, and I know that's very important to a lot of full-time RVers. Now, speaking of full-time RVers, this is the best part about a Durango. Durango is the only company out there that is gonna do a true tip-to-tip, I actually have it right here, hitch to bumper 2-year limited warranty. Now what that means is it is covered for 2 full years against any manufacturer defects from front to back, but they allow you to actually stay in this thing. You see those 3-year warranties out there that are just structural use? Well, those are recreational only. So if you use that thing more than just a few weekends a year, boom, warranty void. So with Durango, they're actually gonna allow you to stay in this thing, use it like it's meant to be used. So if you're traveling the country for weeks on end, or you're staying in this thing for a month, you're gonna be covered. KZ is gonna back their product and say, you know what? This thing's gonna stand up to whatever you throw at it. And you're just, it's perfect. Now, as we're standing inside of the new Durango 326RLT, you're gonna notice this is a very unique and new floor plan. So Durango came out with this just for this 2021 model year. It's a rear entertainment, rear living floor plan, mid kitchen, front bath, front bedroom. So what's really nice is you're gonna have opposing slides right here, both with sleeper sofas, recliners up front, and then this massive 65-inch TV. So no matter how many friends you have staying over, you have some guests spending the night, you have plenty of social space right here where you guys can hang out, and then all this additional storage and windows just makes for a perfect house on the road. Now up here in the kitchen, what you're gonna find so unique is this oven. Durango's the first ones to do it. This is a full style residential oven. It is slapped in there. It is not built into the cabinets. It's not that small little Furrion one with the glass top. This is a true 4-burner gas oven. This thing is fantastic. It's straight out of an apartment. It's absolutely perfect. Now up here, this is where you're gonna find the bedroom, which is a king-size bed on a slide with a full wardrobe. But check out this master bathroom. Double vanity, tons of wardrobe space or cupboard space, and then you have a massive walk-in shower, glass doors with a triple slide, and it's seamless, completely seamless shower for no water to get into those cracks, and then you have a seat in there. Ladies, this is perfect when it comes to shaving. It works so much better. You have a lot more room in this bathroom. This is designed for a king. This is fantastic. Now I know you're gonna have a million questions on this thing because this is probably the shortest video I've ever done on a fifth wheel, but I did that on purpose. Give me a call right when you watch this thing and I'll go over every small detail with you with a fine-tooth comb, and we can really answer all the questions and I can show you everything important about this thing. So give me a call anytime. My number will be right here on the screen and I can't wait to meet you. Let's go RVing.